Greetings! Ensuring your digital safety is our top priority. We'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step process to help you successfully install Avast Antivirus on your system. So let's jump right into the process. To begin with, let's go ahead and open up Google Chrome, or you can choose for any browser of your choice. Next, navigate to the search bar and type in Avast Antivirus, then hit Enter. From the search results, select the link for Avast Free Antivirus, and click on it to be redirected to their official website. Now you are on the official Avast website. Look for the blue free download button on the screen and click on it. At this point, your browser should start downloading the Avast application. Once downloaded, you should see it on the bottom of the browser. Click on this file and wait for the application to initialize. Now, to initiate the installation process, click on the green Install button. Keep an eye on the bottom right-hand side of your screen. You should see the progress of your Avast Antivirus installation. In case the application disappears halfway through the installation, or at around 46%, there's no need to worry. Just wait as the application continues installing in the background. A new Avast Antivirus icon will soon appear on your screen, signifying that the application has been successfully installed. You will notice that the icon has now appeared on the left side of my screen. Let's proceed by launching the Avast application. You'll notice the installation is still in progress. Let's remain patient and wait for it to finish. That's it! You've successfully installed Avast Antivirus on your computer. Thank you for watching. Until next time.